Hello friends, a very warm welcome from Aussizz Group. I'm Malcolm, your PT coach. And friends, I'm really happy today to be here with one of my favorite colleagues, friends, students, whatever I can call him. His name is Zawar, he's from Pakistan. Friends, Zawar took the PT academic test recently and finally he got his desired score, which is a band 8 score because he's from the accounting background. So he needed 20 visa points. He has got a full score, that is 87 out of 90, which is a band 9 score. That's his overall score. In speaking, he has got a perfect 90. Also in reading, he has got a perfect 90, which is amazing. It's really difficult to get 90 reading, and he has achieved it even before, and this time as well he got it. In listening, he has got a score of 86, and writing has got 83, and that's how he's got the overall score of 87 out of 90, which is, again, I'll repeat, a band 9 equivalent score in IELTS. So firstly, many congratulations, Zawar.
Thank you.
And if you could just give a brief introduction to our viewers, please.
Hi viewers, this is Zawar. I've been here in Australia from the last 7.5 years.
Wow.
And done my bachelor's degree in accounting, finished in 2015. I've been trying to get my required score for a while now and give it a few times. And yeah, finally I found Malcolm, and he's been an inspirational figure. To say the least, and he just knows how to get the best out of the students. And one of the main things I'd like to point out is self-belief. He really helps you with the self-belief. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Zawar. Zawar, I'd also like to ask you, like, since you have taken PT before as well, and even you know it inside out, even in your sleep, if you take it now, I think you'll get 90. So
Yeah.
there are many people like us who need to take PT maybe more than once.
Yeah.
So what do you think is the main thing which kept you going to this date, or till you get your skills?
I think one of the main things which I'd really like to mention is that self-belief. Self-belief is one of the main things that you really need to have.
Right.
And I think having someone like you, or someone like a mentor who can really push you, and make sure sort of to give you that confidence that you keep going. Because at the end of the day, it is only a test.
True, it is only a test.
I think sometimes, and from my previous experience, is that we sometimes think too much about it.
True.
So, I'd like to give the example that I used to struggle in the writing section.
Right.
And this time around, I kept actually things very, very simple.
Simple, yeah.
Very simple. I didn't use any fancy words or anything.
Yeah.
Obviously, follow the structure and what you had, advised me. But overall, kept it very simple. So
Right.
not only my writing score was good enough,
Yeah.
but also I made less mistakes,
Exactly.
which was the
True.
thing. So sometimes I think we just try a bit too hard.
Yes.
But it's very important to keep things simple
Simple.
as we can.
He said, he hit the nail right at the head. Keep things simple. Don't overcomplicate things, because as he correctly said, it's just a test at the end of the day. Zawar, I'd also like to ask you, how did you come to know about Aussizz Group?
Yes, so I've recently applied visa from here from Aussizz Group, and we were mentioned about you in particular, Malcolm, here. And then I inquired about what would be the best way to go for us, because we did know sort of how the test worked. So
Yes.
it was suggested to us that we take a masterclass, which we did. And I must say that completely changed the complexion,
So,
completely, of how things were to come.
so my next question was going to be how was the masterclass experience, if you could share?
Well, the masterclass experience was, as they say, masterclass. It was a gist of, all the tests. And the best thing which I found about the class was that at the end of the class, I basically knew that, all right, this is it. This is what I was after. And, just knowing that, which areas you really need to attack.
Right.
I found that with that class.
Right. And I still remember very distinctly that after the class, Zawar came to me and he actually thanked me that it was a really good class. I remember the picture clearly in my head. He came with his friend Zen, and both of them came to me, and yes, they met me. And the good thing is that even Zen has got 8 each, 2 weeks back, so I'm really happy for both of you. And I'd also like to ask you, Zawar, how's your experience at pttutorials.com?
Well, it was a very good experience. The login, which we get
Yes.
as part of the class. The questions over there, the timed questions, they're very, good, and give you very good sort of idea how it'll be in the test. So I found that quite useful.
Definitely. And last but not the least, there are many people especially from the Indian subcontinent, Pakistan subcontinent, who are still trying to get their score. So what is the message you have for them?
Well, the message is that there is only one way, and that is forward.
True.
So keep trying. Keep believing in yourself, and you might listen that each and every day of your life. People talking about it, but that is the gist of it. You just keep going at it, and you will get there. And you have like Malcolm. Hopefully you can get people who can motivate you as well, because sometimes it can get a bit struggling.
True.
But just hang in there, and just keep believing in yourself, and you'll get there.
And friends, I'm not saying for the sake of saying, he is one of the most persistent people I know, and he just kept on pushing, and finally he has got what he wanted. And just a small token of our appreciation, Zawar, from the management, here's a small token for you. Many congratulations. We are really happy for you. Thank you. So friends, what are you waiting for? Zawar did it, and so will you. Believe us, it's not a difficult test, but it can be a bit tricky at times and can make you feel a bit down if you don't get your score. He has missed it a couple of times, but just a point. You can imagine how frustrating it can be, but obviously he had no option because he wanted to get it, so he got it anyhow. So even you should do the same thing. And when you want the score, I believe that you can definitely come to us. Aussizz Group will be more than happy to help you get your desired score. So friends, thank you for viewing this video. Thank you so much for being with us. And again, I would like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year ahead. Once again, many congratulations, Zawar. Wish you all the best for the PTE-A. Thank you for viewing the video, friends. Merry Christmas.